Okay.
17
And
new.
then I wonder why it takes me 2 hours to fall asleep when I get home every night, because like the adrenaline's like this. Okay, so is it a baker? Sure. Actually, the initial original idea for this and how the intent is for you to use it to start at least is a napkin holder. And I love that you have the weight with it to match back. And again, if the theme of our day is outdoor, oh, my lotus flower, namaste.
Yes, exactly.
The theme of our day is outdoor entertaining. So, you know, you got to have the napkins out there and then they start to fly away. So you have the weight on there.
Yes.
But the second I saw it, I went, well, wait a minute. You can still use that in the oven, right? So it's a baker
becomes
as
your
well.
brownie pan, right? It's your like perfect 8x8 brownie pan. Love that. Oh, you see it? The ice cream cone. Look at how sweet. So you've only ever seen the ice cream cones really in our gloves. Now they're in our stoneware. So we had ice cream cups on earlier today. There's your weighted little ice cream. There's your watermelon. We have white woodland, of course. We did the red doodle. Look at the little rooster doodle weight.
Doodle in it.
Look how
Oh,
sweet
I
that
love it.
is. Probably easier if I just leave them alone. And then we did a sweet little star in our patriotic. So what I love about these is it's not just for napkins. This actually becomes that great baker as well. So like we were saying, that perfect brownie pan. All of the pattern runs all the way around the edges. And I love the fact that, again, you can put this in the microwave. So maybe you have fresh fruit in here in the morning. Maybe you want to use it for napkins. So many different ways. It's a baker as well. And look at that, square bakers. We don't do too many of those. So I love the fact that we have that. And it doubles as a napkin holder.
$20.
With a weight.
$19.54, 5 easy payments of under $4. Easy pay expires in 18 minutes. Whoops.
Whoa.
So that's definitely what you want to pick up right now. And it might. Oh, okay. Wow, we're already done with that one. I can't even deal with how short these are. And now we're going to head over. Alan's like, okay, we're moving over to the metal tray. I'm like, already? Yeah.
We're just keeping on, keeping on.
I saw you had your Apple Watch on. I'm like, log those steps, girl, because we're taking a lot of them.
Apparently thinks I'm working.